This video is sponsored by Squarespace.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm joined by gorgeous Paulina, who is going to be my beautiful model. I am going to be playing around with the Sony A7RIV and the Sony A1, and I'm going to be showing you how I take the photos. I'm in this beautiful house here, so we have a swimming pool and a few other areas, so it should be pretty cool. Before we get into this video, make sure to check out Paulina's Instagram. She's going to be linked in the description below, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell button to not miss any of my future uploads. And let's get right into the video. Yeah, beautiful. And look at me again. Yeah. Yeah, I think what you just did there, kind of like this, walking back, that was really pretty. So don't really turn around. You don't have to turn around. It's just like, if you're like, so I really liked, like this is kind of nice. I really like the movement of like the cape when it's like here. So it's just kind of, we're just gonna have to do a bunch of them basically. So, okay, and go. Yeah, beautiful. And again, look at me. Yes, perfect. And look at me again. Yes. Oh, I love the little like hair flick. That was really nice as well. Beautiful. Oh, I love this. Oh, this is so pretty. Yeah, you can have your eyes closed. You don't have to have them open. Exactly. Okay, like that. And look at me. Yes, beautiful. Oh, I love this. That's so pretty. And yeah, lean back again. Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh, gorgeous. Love this. That's so pretty. And up with your head, kind of just super dreamy. Yeah. Close your eyes. Like, yeah. Mm-hmm. That's so gorgeous. You have your eyes closed. Beautiful. Wow, that was fast.
One thing that I definitely noticed in terms of a difference between the two cameras was the color profiles on the A1. They were definitely quite different to the ones on the A7R IV, so that's something to keep in mind.
Love that. You have your eyes closed, like super dreamy, kind of like you were on the other side. Yeah. You can kind of have your back like slightly a bit more arched and like your hands behind you. Yes, beautiful. Both of your hands. Yes, perfect. And you can have the elbows kind of like closer to you. No, not the other way. Yes, perfect. And your head more behind you rather than to the side. So kind of like, you know, arch your head back. Yes, perfect. And maybe turn ever so slightly towards me with your body. So your entire body, including your legs. Yes, perfect. And just keep looking like straight ahead. So kind of like above, yeah, here, and just chin up. Beautiful.
For the last look, I wanted to take some photos of the back of the dress because it had a really nice detail, and I decided to do it against this bench because it had really nice shadows of leaves in there, and I thought it would look very interesting.
Beautiful.
In general, I really enjoyed working on both cameras, and I personally am not sure if I would switch to the A1. I feel like the A7R IV offers me quite enough of everything that I need. However, it's definitely a cool camera to test out if you can get your hands on it.
What if you're a bit more on your side? I don't really care about the back that much, it's fine. We got some like nice back shots. Yeah, it's actually really pretty. Oh, I love that. Yeah, chin down for sure. Yeah, chin down is better. And like straight on, maybe if your face is like straight there. Yeah, perfect. Beautiful. Oh, that's really nice. Can we have your legs a bit more this way? Yeah, keep going. Perfect. Yes, beautiful.
And now a word from my sponsor.
Squarespace is an all-in platform that will help you make your dream website, portfolio, or an online shop become a reality. Squarespace has hundreds of beautiful templates, so you will definitely find something that suits you and your personal style. You can build a professional portfolio website in a matter of hours, and you will be able to customize it every step of the way, so it's so you that nobody can deny it's not. As we all know, social media presence is power, and with Squarespace, you'll be able to auto-post all your content to Twitter, Facebook, or Tumblr with proper tags and descriptions. Finally, Squarespace helps you with the marketing. They help you with SEO, as well as some plugins for Instagram stories and so on, as well as share buttons so your followers can give you some juicy shoutouts on their social media. If that sounds like something you'd like to try, make sure to go to squarespace.com for a free trial. And once you're ready to go, use my code squarespace.com/Anita to receive 10% off your first purchase.
Okay, guys, this is for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much, Paulina, for being my gorgeous model.
Thank you for inviting me.
Check her out. She's going to be linked in the description below. I hope you did like this video. Let me know what you think in the comments, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell button, and I'll see you next time.